Welcome, carving enthusiasts, to another engaging episode of Beavercraft's weekly tutorials. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the realms of creativity and precision in carving. In this episode, we're embracing a unique challenge that draws inspiration from the fascinating world of mystical animals. Prepare to be amazed as we transform a simple block of wood into a remarkable masterpiece, an elephant-formed phone holder that will undoubtedly captivate you. As we introduce this challenge, let's review the essential tools and materials that will help bring our vision to fruition. We're working with a 4x4 by 2 inches block of basswood, ideal for our elephant design. To attach our pattern to the wood, we'll be using Titebond glue. Now gather your carving tools and embark on this creative expedition with us. We'll guide you through each step of carving an elephant, offering useful tips and tricks to enhance your carving skills, especially for beginners. Today's challenge involves sculpting a majestic elephant from our wood block. This intricate endeavor will put our abilities to the test, so let's gear up and create this exceptional piece together. Begin by envisioning the elephant's basic shape within the dimensions of our block. Sketching the outlines on the surface will aid in your carving, ensuring a balanced and lifelike figure. As you start removing excess material, concentrate on the gradual shaping process. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you're always updated with our enthralling carving sessions using the finest wood carving knives. Pay particular attention to the elephant's distinctive features, like its trunk and large ears, maintaining accuracy in proportions. For novices, the challenge is in managing the depth of your cuts and keeping the symmetry intact. Take your time and don't hesitate to periodically review your work. Another important aspect to consider is the grain direction of the wood. Carving against the grain might cause splintering. Align your carving strokes with the grain for cleaner cuts and a polished end result. Remember, each challenge is a chance to hone your skills. If you're new to carving, embrace the learning process and don't get disheartened by small mistakes. Carving is an evolving art, requiring practice and dedication. So, whether you're an experienced carver or just beginning, approach this elephant carving challenge with enthusiasm and creativity. Share your experiences and any obstacles you encounter in the comments below, and let's foster our growth as a carving community together. Before we conclude, we want to express our gratitude for joining us on this carving journey. If you've enjoyed the experience, don't forget to like this video, share it with your carving friends, and hit that subscribe button for more captivating tutorials. Connect with us on social media and feel free to share your carving projects and ideas in the comments below.